everyone. So this is TransitOps, which is a platform created by me for today's hackathon. So this is the homepage of my application. Then we have two options, the sign up one and the sign in one. When we click on get started, we can enter our details and create our account. Here are the role-based access control is it's implemented, so we can easily create the account. After creating the account, we go back to the sign in page, enter the data and then log in. I have also provided the test credentials to test the application. So by first I will go for Fleet Manager. After signing in, I will be redirected to the dashboard where I will see all the details of active vehicles, the vehicles which are present, the vehicles which are in maintenance mode. Also, I have implemented the sorting functionality here. Like I can easily apply the filters and the data will be displayed. After, the fleet manager can manage the fleets, like he can easily add a vehicle, enter the data and register a vehicle. Also, the fleet manager can add the drivers, like on the similar way, enter the data and the driver data will be the data will be generated and gets uh, gets pushed into the database. Then after the these are some features like the we can manage the trips. Here we can see the trips, also the maintenance part, but the trips and maintenance part is managed by the another role, so we will shift to that role. So to use the another features, we have to show we have to just change the role. So we will now log in as a dispatcher. So the same UI of the dashboard for all of the roles. Then for the dispatcher, he can create a trip, then manage it, and also can do complete and cancel. Means he can choose the trip is completed or not. Also, he can create a trip where he can select the vehicles that are available, driver. Also, he can enter the weight. If the weight is more than permitted value, then the trip will be not created. After that, the dispatcher also can see all the details, but he cannot change or alter the details as because the role does not access, because it is only access to the fleet managers and others. So now moving to the next role, we have the safety officer. The safety officer also have the same dashboard, the same settings, but he can see the driver details, also can change the duty status of them, like who is available or not, who is suspended. If the license gets expired, then it will automatically get suspended, or the safety officer will change or this just toggle this to suspended. After moving on to the next, uh, we have the analytics and other features. Also, we have the fuel and expenses, where we can see the total fuel logs that what our vehicles are burning and using our resources. So this can be logged by the another officer or another entity. Like I will show, the financial analyst can enter the data. So after signing in as a financial analyst, the access of that things will be unlocked. Like the financial analyst can log the fuel, like the select vehicles, then after choosing the trip, then enter quality total cost, and then enter the date and log fuel purchase. Also, he can add another expenses like the toll tax and like the toll or other expenses, accessory expenses. Then all data will be visible to here. The calculation is based on that data, like the total fuel cost, total maintenance cost, and the total operational cost, which is auto calculated by the formula. After moving to the next, we have the analytics section, where we can see the analytics of our platform, the performance of our vehicles, Also, we can export the data in the CSV format. Just click on save and the data will be saved. And in the end, we have the settings profile, settings page, like where we can change the data like the depot name, currency, the distance, rate per hour of our vehicle, the average speed, and the data like that. Also, the small mention here, like which role can access which data. Here is mentioned in detail. Also, I have deployed this application on Vercel, so anyone can check just by going to my profile or going to this project, and here he can easily click that and verify that data or that check that site. So thank you.